Shruti, how you doing? Hello, Hegidira. I'm here to take my delivery of my new motorcycle. I still own the BMW and the Kawasaki ZX-XR, but this is a long wait, a 20-year dream that I dreamt of. I'm sure you'll be able to figure out what I'm gonna get in the next few minutes. But this video is gonna be full of a raw vlog wherein you will see a lot of what you would say, unboxing of the motorcycle, accessory installation, and then comes the delivery of the motorcycle. So that's how I'm going to break this into a few different parts. So probably the last lot of 2024, but I'm actually getting it after the new year. So you can see my excitement. But yeah, so I'm already here at Aryan Suzuki. So I'm waiting for folks to come down. So once they come down, we'll start unboxing and then we'll start taking care of things. So that's the plan. So see you around and grab your popcorn and do enjoy the video. So taking home the bike in this specific way, which is sending it to truck because I can't drive in traffic. So this is the famous Apu truck